Hi everyone, a salute country. Na me, Dr. WAN, una pikin, una brother, una moyo, una neighbor. I don't come today for talk about mommy health. How we get for take care of mommy them. For help mommy not be enough for put 2 fufu for plate with jama and 2 slices of chicken. You give them for mommy, make it chop. You say you do a good thing. Mommy don't chop all this chop for the past years. So mommy don't tire. He power them, it don't start to run down. So it is time for we, he picking them. For she done down, look am properly. Wait to be the right thing now. Not be enough for load mommy pan with fufu, jama, kati, achu, and anything you say you do mommy good things. Now, the very first thing to do for mommy at this time of her life, now for check your health situation, how we did, how you sleep. Plenty mommy them for night, they need to sleep. Some they get bad dreams. Some they stay awake. Some they go for bed around midnight. A 1B 3 a.m. They don't wake up. They just sleep for bed, still not there for their eye again. So that is the topic for today. So I will give you people some guide. Wait where you give for do one for help mommy in this condition. You get some mommy then way for night that the sweat saute bed all done wet. You get someone the way they wake up for morning time, their skin all done broke. What they call them for big books say rheumatoid arthritis. All these things now because of aging. Old age. But having said that, we fix them. It not means say if mommy don't be more than 50 years, we get for talk say mommy don't old. No. Mommy if you live over 100 years if we take care of mommy very well. So that's what we call menopause. Menopause is quite common at a certain age. For some women, they experience them even after 45. And classical symptom na hormone imbalance. So we need to look at how to manage this hormone imbalance. Meaning that you get for take mommy, make you go see doctor for woman them. That doctor for woman them na fine thing, na fine visit. Then you see also another special doctor for sleep, or what they call them say geriatric doctors. That geriatric doctors na expert for geriatric medicines. So they go look up proper for find out why mommy it go down the drain. So it not be enough for give mommy 2 fufu with jama and 2 slices of chicken. You say you love mommy. No. If you truly love mommy, then go to these 2 doctors that I said and get mommy checked. So the first one, it is the hormone imbalance. This hormone imbalance is a simple blood work you do to get this thing checked, like estrogen, progesterone, and all those things. And then you give mommy now the right job. And in this situation, not before give mommy 2 fufu at the same time. I will say give mommy 1 fufu and more of vegetable, more of jama. That jama, it gets something inside the column, say nitric oxide. That nitric oxide, it help for clean that wire them way there for mommy skin. Me I call them say wire, but the real name for big book na arteries and the veins on capillaries. Mommy, a day now so like old motor. Remember, if you not change oil for old motor, that motor go give you so much trouble. But if you change the oil by taking this car to a mechanic, they look the engine fine, they look the tires, they check the brake and everything, you go drive this motor without any headache. So that's the same principle we me I try for insist here. For all of us who are there for America, for Canada, for Europe, anywhere, even those in the Cameroons or wherever you may find yourself and make it a home for you. If you truly love your mother, even your wife, then these are small things that you have to take into consideration. You find some mommy them or call it even some ladies them where they don't get beer for their chin. When you get beer for your chin, what we call hairy chin, then now other big red flag that person again what we call them say PCOS, PCOS. PCOS is not something to let it go. That person need to be treated properly. You get the one the way before their period start, they be very aggressive. They behave so funny to husbands. All those things need to be looked at. It is not something that you need to just say, oh, come on, it will be fine. No. You need to see into it what to do. At the end of this video, I will provide the meals, what they get for chop in this time of the year or towards that period to keep things in order. So I was talking about this jama where you give for beef fresh, nitric oxide, a day inside. That nitric oxide, we call it a big book says scavenger. Scavenger, that man where it clean road, it carry dirty mover. So that nitric oxide, it will run inside mommy arteries, capillaries, and all other part of the body and clear way for oxygen to get there. If you don't do that, mommy blood pressure it will go up. And when mommy blood pressure go up, not be my fine thing. Because that high blood pressure, it will make mommy get stroke. And when they get stroke, memory start for fail. Sometimes go be where mommy go even say, he don't know you again. You need to remind mommy several times on the phone or even talking to her. You need to repeat the same statement several times and she will still find it challenging. So those are all symptoms of dementia and mini stroke and all sorts of things, which those things can be handled up front. You don't really need to wait till they happen. So diet na magic thing. When you eat decently, you won't find yourself in this situation. So that's why I'm making this video to walk them through. So if mommy the over sweat, then it means it get trouble with your hormones. There's hormone imbalance. That has to be checked. There's another one they call vaginal dryness. That one also in a big trouble. Mommy not gonna tell you, but it really feel that pain inside her. So in that case, there's a drug we call Premarin or Vegifam. There are lots of such drugs in the pharmacy that you can get them. Why not go for an assessment and look at things, check the hormones, and then advise you on what to do. Your estrogen level, that has to be checked. Once you are over 35, don't wait till when you clock 50. That has to be done on a regular basis. And I would strongly recommend every woman here listening to me that the day you clock +1, that's your birthday, go for a complete blood works. You will see that There are so many things inconsistent with your condition, and the earlier you address them, the better for you. Another important thing na meditation. I know say some mommy then they were na Christian. Then get their rosary. Now find thing for wake up for morning time, you hold your rosary, pray to your God, whichever one. I'm not here to tell you which is the best one. Just dedicate 30 minutes at times. It may be in the morning, it may be in the evening, wherever you are. The most important thing here is to find that peace, that quietness. And believe me, if you do that once a day, there's what we call cortisol. That cortisol, it will definitely drop. If you look at very well, so many people them for America, Canada, Europe, then they for depression. They take antidepressant. Antidepressant is some medication where they give you when your head kick for inside. When I say kick for inside, I hope someone know what we mean. They talk for you. When they put you on that medication for depression, that medication not going to help you in any way. It's just what we call quick fix. That quick fix, it means say after some time, things then go spoil again. So why not sit back and reflect on what you are doing? Some people then they get 3 jobs. That they work for a year, come over for another place, they work, and they get home exhausted and then engage themselves in heavy eating late in the night, and it's just so overwhelming here. All those things weighs you down at some point and also leads to neglect of your own loved ones and even your own self. This video is a reminder, it's a wake-up call to ladies. Please think about yourself, think about your future, think about your family, think about your mother who brought you up. Give her that decent health treatment right now. No wait say when mommy die, you say you want to go do befitting burial. That's garbage. If you not feel sure mommy you are loved right now, when again will you do that? When you don't die? I don't think so. That doesn't make sense to me. This is the right time for sure mommy say you love her. And the only way to do that is by taking her to the hospital. I did mention here 2 particular doctors to take care of mommy. Another thing na blood sugar. Mommy blood sugar it get for be monitored because at that age the blood sugar value it is spiked. So if the blood sugar values go up too much, then there are particular food where mommy not get for chop. I don't put this list for my other video then. If you still don't have that list, please call me back and I will furnish you with that list of food. The column say green food. So that green food inside or green list is the one that mommy feature up, provided the kidney not get trouble. So it means you get for also take mommy go check the kidney function test. We do not want mommy make it end up for dialysis because dialysis now waste of time. Nobody goes for dialysis and come out alive. You are tied down there. So if you start eating the right way, you go see I'm say dialysis will not be of any use to you. So I am here to tell you wait till you get for chop in the event that they end up sending you for dialysis. So that's one. Then another list again, they call them say the yellow list. The yellow list now the one where mommy fit chop but you get for go for outside and work a small also. It not get for chop she done for house the whole day. You get for come on go outside, work for quarter, even it's a lot of people there. Then there's another one, they call them say red list. That red list is a dangerous food. And in that red list, there is meat inside. If you be say you like to chop meat, then your own day you don't start the near small. Because you go one day find yourself in the hospital bed. So try to eliminate meat. You may want to chop fish, that's fine. If possible, make a bit of dry fish. Dry fish once a week should be okay. So that's the message for you. We are talking about food now, and they want to eat and they want not to eat. So you check mommy, you wait. Mommy, you wait also a very important thing. I know say for Africa, when you weigh 100 kilo, they say you be better woman. Na big lie. Instead, it better make you be skinny. And I have another video that explains for you to cut down weight, for you to bring down your weight from above 100 back to around 70. It is not witchcraft. You do not need medication to cut down weight. I am here to walk you through. I will tell you what food to eat and what food not to eat. That's my job here. Feel free to get back to me. That's another thing. Then, we don't talk about blood sugar for mommy, how for manage them. We don't talk about blood pressure, how for manage them. So the other blood values now, like magnesium, that one too a very important thing. Now hear this story fine. Especially young girls when they still menstruate. If you know say a day before your period, you the one go crazy. Those 2 days before your period, then start for take magnesium. I repeat again. Start using magnesium. You can contact me and I will tell you what dose of magnesium to take a couple of days before your period. We call it premenstrual syndrome. That one is very important. And the type of food you have to eat are as follows. Anything sweet, I will say stay away. Go natural. And going natural means things the way you grow them yourself or the one that you buy them for shop, not pre-packaging. Chop from gongong, make it not be your friend. Even for mommy, no give chop from gongong. So avocado or what they call pear, give to be your best friend. Jama, I don't talk that one so many times. Bitter leaf, give to be your best friend. Bitter cola, give for be your best friend. Ginger, na very good thing. If possible, you can chew the ginger. Try to chop it down into small bits and then chew the ginger. That one will help you so much. Ginger has more than 15 uses, please. So make it a habit of consuming ginger, onion and garlic. Ginger, onion and garlic will help to bring down your blood pressure for mommy them, even for papa them. For those who can afford to buy cocoa, man will be able to get cocoa beans. Na lucky man. Cocoa beans, get some substance inside where they help also for bring down blood pressure and cholesterol. So make sure say once a week you eat 2 cocoa beans. That 2 cocoa beans will change your life. You may not need to be seeing doctor time and again once you start live this lifestyle with me, they tell you so. Another test you get for doing for check am say your heart dey work fine. Now for climb staircases. When you climb staircases, you get to the top of it and you are not having trouble breathing. It means say your heart dey work fine. You are engine them. Your arteries, your cables, them be clean. It not get fat for inside. If you climb that staircase and you get on top of it, you feel like say you faint, then na bad news that. Just hurry up, go see cardiologist. Because if you don't do that, one morning they will see you don't already die. So I repeat this statement again, this simple test. I know say for go see cardiologist, they ask you plenty money. Okay, that's fine. So man will not get that money for pay for go see cardiologist. This is what he get for doing. He get for find place where staircases than they. It might be say 7 to climb or 10 cases to climb, then climb those rungs or the staircases to the end of it. You can climb even 3 times a day. As soon as you realize that you are having trouble breathing, it means say your heart also, it don't start to get trouble. And at that time, you get to stop meat immediately. You get to stop fish immediately and start eating raw vegetable. When you eat raw vegetable, it will help for clear that your own cable, the way me detox so. And then things will come back to normal. If you still choose say one could take na sugar chop them and fatty things and all whatnot, and you do not control your weight, your name na die. It is not magic here. There's no witchcraft here. Lifestyle na very important thing. That's why I don't decide for make this video for una. Another good thing na okra, or what they call okra, whichever one, ladies' fingers. I will tell una also how for prepare them. You not get for cut and make it be too small. Just chop it down 2 slices. Take the okra finger and cut just 2 slices and boil it half cooked. You can prepare that okra with coconut oil, no palm oil. That coconut oil is good because it carry that mineral inside that okra to the brain for mommy, so it will help for reduce memory failure. We call them say dementia. So that coconut oil has a particular substance inside where they help also. So when you prepare that okra or okomobong or whichever vegetable with a few drops of coconut oil, you go see for yourself the magic. You not go see on the next day, but down the road, you will see what I am saying. Another important thing for Adam for mommy plate na black beans. That black beans, I go teach una how for prepare them. You get for soak the black beans for water a night before. When you soak the black beans for water a night before, it will help for remove what they call phytic acid. That phytic acid is what makes your stomach to bloat, what we call them for big books say flatulence. Some man could tell you say you don't gas or farting. So if you're the fear say beans go make you gas, no, I don't tell you what we go for doing. When you soak it for water the whole night, the next morning you throw it away, then you boil that beans now, spice it the way you want. It helps so much. Put some onion, put garlic, put ginger, and a few drops of coconut oil. That one na medicine because it helps to reduce what they call cholesterol. Cholesterol na very bad fat where it spoil your heart. It cause even heart attack. So when your cholesterol is over high, then this recipe me I don't give them so na very good one. Make sure say black beans be your friend. Anything green, make it be your best friend. Chop them at least 2 times a week. Exercise na another one. No meat again, like I said, because meat instead creates you more trouble down the road. When it comes for fruit, for people that way they don't overgain weight. If you feel say your weight don't over too much, make sure say you take fruits before any meal. Again, take fruits before any meal, not after meal. When you take fruits before any meal, it will go occupy space for your belly. So the next chop with the chop now, you know go chop and plenty. Fruits like banana, I will say not chop banana before going to bed in the evening. Do not eat banana in the evening. It's not good for your hair because it creates what we call mucus. So banana can be eaten in the morning. I will say eat heavily in the morning. Your breakfast should be heavy, whereas your dinner should be meager. So that's my advice here. So this video has a long way to go. It's meant for mommy specifically, but it's also meant for gonderi them where they struggle with their weight, where they say they get obesity or whatever thing you want to call it. It be very important. Even mommy the way they get diabetes, now also good information this one for listening. So if you feel say your foot fire under your foot, because I don't hear some person don't call me the other day tell me say when you stand for up or even stand for down, if you feel like say fire there for your foot, I will tell you say if you are in that condition, get your blood sugar value checked and get back to me. That could be a symptom of diabetes coming up. You are certain don't undergo what we call say glycation in big book. Another important thing here na fried food. If you be say you like chocolate and fry them, then your own day it don't start come small. Chop with the fry them, not be a fine thing. You see this plate on my video. That chicken with it for this, so it not get for be fried. It go for be na oven bake. When chop it be made for oven, it need to cause trouble for your skin. But when you fry chop, it make your skin old faster. It bring you old age quicker than expected. So please avoid fried food. Go with oven bake. That's my advice. Mommy, the way like for take puff for morning time and pap and beans. This message na for one or two. If you know say you did chop puff and pap and beans for morning time, you there for big trouble sooner or later. Make sure say you avoid puff, pap and beans every morning. Not be not chop that. Better roast plantains and eat with granite and drink 1 cup of water. Now medicine that for you. Not be not puff, beans and pap. It will help you. It instead bring you more trouble down the road. I don't talk about exercise, talk about meditation, talk about food to eat, and medical checkup. Again, we do not forget. Another important thing here na test, what they call them say thyroid function test. Thyroid function test it be very important. Make sure say all ladies, even younger them, they get this thing checked because some younger them they way when they open their bra for morning time, it be wet, it be soaked because their body it lose milk. Even when they need to breastfeed, not be a good sign that. If you know say your bra for morning time it be soaked, it be wet, then go and check for your condition. I'm happy to guide you. I can tell you the test and I can tell you even the medication for take and for fix them. There are just 2 drugs currently on the market that you can take if you get up in the morning and your bra is wet with milk in it. So that's another key thing here. For women, when they get BABA for their chin, again, I don't tell una say, una go check una self for PCOS. They call them say peacocks. Go and get yourself checked for peacocks because if you don't do that, you'll be in trouble. For women, the way that they continue to get miscarriages. If you get miscarriages frequently, then that's a bad sign. It could be that you have autoimmune disease. Autoimmune disease can be treated. So you need to get yourself checked for this. Your weight also has to be monitored. Your tubes, they have to check them because most women, the way they get BABA for their chin, they get BABA for their chest, Some of them already have their tubes already blocked. So when you get these symptoms, then go and check your tubes to make sure that both tubes are open. Otherwise, to have a child will become a very big challenge. Those are all red flag signals that it should not be neglected. So take it seriously. Listen to this video so many times. Share the information with all your loved ones. Tell them I'm here to give them a helping hand. I'm here to recommend them which test they get for doing when they get all these symptoms when me around the talk show. My name na Dr. WAN. I be una pikin, una brother, una moyo, una best friend. And that's why I don't make the video for help una. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.